If making regular backups feels difficult, having a data recovery tool installed on your computer can truly be a lifesaver. When data loss happens, time is everything. The longer you wait, the lower the recovery success rate. That's where RecoveryFox AI comes in. It features a quick scan mode designed to recover recently deleted files, often with the original file names and folder structure fully preserved. In this video, I'll show you how to easily recover deleted folders on Windows 11 with RecoveryFox AI. To get started, simply launch RecoveryFox AI. As you can see, it also provides quick access to desktop and recycle bin recovery. Next, select the drive where the deleted folder was originally stored. The scan starts immediately. Quick Scan runs first and is ideal for recently lost files. If you start recovery right after data loss, your chances of getting everything back are very high. This scan usually completes in seconds or just a few minutes. Once finished, AI Scan will automatically continue for a deeper search. You can pause it at any time and review the Quick Scan results. Under File Path, expand the Quick Scan folder. This is exactly the folder I deleted. Let's open it and check whether all files are still intact. Right-click a file and select Preview. Great, everything is here. If some files fail to preview, that doesn't necessarily mean they're corrupted. Certain project files must be recovered first and then opened with their dedicated software. Now select the folder and click Recover. When choosing a save location, remember to select a different drive to avoid overwriting existing data. Follow the prompt to open the output folder and review the results. With RecoveryFox AI, the entire recovery process is fast and straightforward. If you'd like to try it yourself, click the link in the description to learn more. The unregistered version allows you to scan and preview files for free, so you can try it before you buy. I'm Reco. Thanks for watching and follow me for more practical tips on data and devices.